Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. We got a lot to get into as usual, okay? But follow that prompter if you're new to the page and hit the like, subscribe, and a notification bell. My name is Stock Up with Larry Jones, where we discuss stocks and crypto in the market daily, weekly, monthly. Right? Let's get right into it, good people. Look at what's happening right now. All right, look at what's happening. We have retail numbers that came in. We'll go over that in a minute. But let's see what's happening right now. So I look at this and it's telling me a lot of things. This morning, all of these, when the retail numbers came in, these were green. All right, they were double digits. Now they are cooling off. The S&P is down 10 points. You can see the NASDAQ 3 points. I'll call the NASDAQ flat at this point. The Dow, after hitting all-time highs on yesterday along with gold, is now down 73 points. But look at what's up. 18 points. The Russell 2000, right? And why is the Russell up and those are down? Because of the Fed decision tomorrow. The market is trying to figure out exactly what the Fed is going to do. That's what the market is trying to figure out. And when the retail numbers came in, it was a bit confused. Remember, it takes a minute for these things to play out, right? Now, there is a little geopolitical situation that has, rose its ugly head. And as you could see here, pager explosion kills Hezbollah fighters, wounds thousands in Lebanon. Okay, so that happened. All of this stuff is happening simultaneously, and it is affecting the market, right? But just a few minutes ago, if you look at some of your crypto, Bitcoin was back up actually to 61. Ethereum was surging. Solana, Bonk, XRP. These are some of the ones that was in my top picks, and I will go over those later in this video with you. Okay, but guys, real briefly, make sure if you've downloaded Moomoo, make sure to get 30 free stock. That's just ridiculous. 30 free stock and 8.1 on your uninvested money. Okay, you could see here 8.1 on your uninvested money. And then I want you to know about their zero commissions. Look at that, zero commissions, 6.8 margin rate. Okay, and so just read all of this and just take advantage of Moomoo right now. And if you've deposited it, if you've clicked the link in the description and download it, make sure you make your deposit so you could get the free stock. It's free money, free stock. So make a deposit, minimum of $100 or $1,000 to get the full 30 free stock by using my link. All right, let's keep it going. All right, we could see what's going on. We had the numbers, retail sales numbers came out this morning. As a matter of fact, it was so short, I just want to share them with you.
Yes, we're looking for our August retail sales numbers. Now, these are advanced. That means they're going to get modified and fine-tuned in a couple of weeks. The first number we see is up 0.1%. We're expecting a negative number. The reason? Because last month we were up a whopping 1%. That was the best going all the way back to the first quarter of 2021. Now, before I'm done, there may be some revisions, but that was a good number, and we haven't taken any back yet, at least in terms of the new advanced look for August. If you strip out autos, it remains up 0.1. Many were expecting it to be a little loftier than that, but do remember also in the rearview mirror, we have up 0.4 and up 0.5. So these have been rather solid reads. If we strip out autos and gas, it still remains good, up 0.2. One could argue we're expecting a little bit more in the rearview mirror once again, up 0.4. Prior to that, it was up 0.8, which was the best going all the way back to January of 23. Then there's what we call the core retail sales, or the control number that gets inputted in other economic statistics higher up the food chain. That remains a very solid up 0.3%. And prior to that, it was up 0.9% in June, and that was the best going all the way back to January 23. Now, there are revisions. Upward revisions. We see last month's get revised from 1% to up 1.1, and we see the core number move from last month's up 0.3 to up 0.4.
So let's read this, good people. The S&P 500 moved to all-time highs earlier in the session, coming during a historical tough period for the market. September has been the worst month for the benchmark over the past 10 years, averaging 1.3% monthly losses, all right, according to a FactSet data. All right. Traders also overcame late summer headwinds stemming from concerns over the health of the U.S. economy. Disappointing jobs and manufacturing data in August sparked a large one-day sell-off. However, equities were able to rebound due to more constructive data releases and expectations of the Fed lowering rates. So that's what's happening with all of this data we've been getting. And everything is leading up till tomorrow with the Fed lowering interest rates. Unfortunately, I will be traveling again tomorrow, but I'll try to keep an eye on it. I believe I'll be in air when this happens, but I will keep an eye on it. And of course, I will be going back and forth with you guys, letting you know what I think about this situation. So it's just one of these things where the market is scared and prepared at the same time. So we had a run up, and then you guys know we had that one-day pull-off, right? September being one of the worst months for stocks and crypto. But crypto tends to lead the stock market, and then the stock market tends to follow here in recent. And crypto is expecting the Fed to lower interest rates, and crypto is already pricing that in. Let's just take a quick look at Bitcoin. At the time of filming this, let's just call this 61. It's 60.88, right? What else do we have here? All right, look at this. Okay, we could see here clearly that Bitcoin is up, let's call that 6%. It is vacillating up and down. It is 6.56. I'm glad that last 6 changed over the last 7 days. So Bitcoin is leading the altcoins and the meme coins. Here's what's crazy. Bitcoin spiked up, but the meme coins are waiting. Look at this, good people. The meme coins are underperforming Bitcoin. And I personally like that, because if Bitcoin continues to move north, right, these will start to move rapidly. As you can see, let's look at Doge and SHIB, about 3%, Pepe 3%, Dog with Hat about let's call that 4%. All right, Pepe 4%. All right, and you see all of the other ones, Floki 3.5, Bunk, let's call that 4%. Brett, let's call that 6%. You see all of the meme coins, right? All of the ones that some of you guys are gambling with because you have no Bitcoin, you have no altcoins. It's all in meme coins. That's not good, good people. And so we can see what Bitcoin is doing right now. According to this, Bitcoin is at 60. Look at that, 61. It just hit 61. So crypto is expecting the Feds to what? Lower interest rates. And that's when crypto and the small caps perform better. So when I looked at the chart, the small caps, the Russell 2000, is pricing in the Fed lowering interest rates also. As we could see here, it is up only 13 points. But for right now, that's good for the Russell 2000. So here's what I'm not going to do. I'm not going to panic. If the Fed says, I'm not cutting interest rates. I know some of you guys said, yeah, but you said the Fed, he was going to do this or that. None of us know what he's going to do. All we can do is speculate. I speculate that he's going to cut by 25 basis points. That's what all the data is showing us. But in this world and in this economy and in this stock market and crypto market, anything is possible. Okay, so all I'm doing is making a plan. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but I'm just discussing what Larry is doing. I am not selling anything. If the market takes off, we've been making money all of this time. We've been in, right? We haven't been sitting on the sidelines. But if the market comes down for some strange reason, we're ready. We ain't scared. We prepare. We got money because we've been saving dry powder. All right, good people, I got some exciting news for you guys that I want you to see. It is confirmed. Look at that. My man, Chris Sane, is going to join us. Chris Sane is going to join us. So we have myself, we got Stocks with Josh, and Chris Sane. All we're going to be pouring into you guys about stocks and crypto. So don't wait for the last minute, right? Stocks and crypto, we're going to give you guys our best. And then I got the super band with Calvin Rogers and Maurice Fitzgerald. Listen, we got the venue, plenty of seating waiting for you guys. The stage is set for the band and for us to come up and pour into you guys. Listen, you don't want to miss this. Don't wait. Don't hesitate. Participate. Purchase your ticket today. All right, good people? All right, so we're going to leave it right there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Leave me a comment of what you think is going to happen tomorrow. Is the Fed going to cut interest rates? Is he just going to pause? Is it going to be 25 basis points or 50 basis points? Right? And most importantly, what effect you think that's going to have on the market? All right? Remember, we ain't scared. We prepared. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.